You want to delete your Google payment profile and fix payment issues? Then this video is exactly for you. Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily remove your Google payment profile by deleting the linked Gmail account step by step. Before we start, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my channel Zonic Tech so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, go to your phone settings and open the search bar. Type sync and tap on accounts and backup. Then select auto sync data and you will all the Google accounts linked to your device, and you will see all the Google accounts linked to your device. Now choose the account you want to remove, tap on it and you will see the remove account option. Click on it and confirm. That's it. Your select Gmail account is now removed and your payment profile linked to it will also be cleared. This is one of the easiest way to fix payment related issues on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and stay connected with Zonic Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.